Hello, amazing viewers, and welcome back to Travelcations. Today we are diving into the tropical paradise of Phi Phi Island in Thailand. Phi Phi Island is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, with towering limestone cliffs and turquoise waters that beckon you to explore. Join us as we take you on a virtual journey to Phi Phi Island. Whether you're here for the stunning scenery, water adventures, or simply to bask in the sun, Phi Phi Island welcomes you with open arms for an unforgettable travel experience. But before diving into the tropical paradise, if you're new here or didn't subscribe Travelcations, why not hit that subscribe button? And don't forget to like and share with your fellow travelers. Welcome to the breathtaking Maya Bay, a tropical paradise nestled in Phi Phi Island, Thailand. Known for its crystal-clear turquoise waters and surrounded by towering limestone cliffs, Maya Bay is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and beach enthusiasts. Dip your toes into the warm, inviting waters and take a refreshing swim or snorkel among the colorful marine life that calls Maya Bay home. The sheer cliffs that encircle the bay create a sense of seclusion, making it the perfect place to unwind and soak up the beauty of nature. The Phi Phi Island Viewpoint is not just about the visuals. It's a moment to pause, breathe in the fresh air, and soak in the tranquility of this tropical haven. As you ascend to the viewpoint, you'll find yourself surrounded by lush greenery and the sounds of nature. The climb is well worth it, as it unveils a postcard-worthy scene of turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and the iconic limestone cliffs that define Phi Phi's landscape. Welcome to the enchanting boat tour around Phi Phi Island, a voyage promising a blend of adventure and serenity. Phi Phi, situated in the heart of Thailand, invites you to set sail on a journey that unfolds the beauty of its crystal-clear waters and captivating landscapes. The gentle sway of the boat and the rhythmic sound of the waves create a tranquil atmosphere, making this tour not just a visual spectacle but a soothing experience. This boat tour is your gateway to a world where each wave carries a story, and each stop unveils a new chapter in the breathtaking tale of Phi Phi's beauty. Welcome, water enthusiasts, to the aquatic wonders of Phi Phi Island, the haven for snorkeling and diving adventures. As we dive into this underwater realm, you'll discover the thrill of snorkeling and diving in the Andaman Sea, surrounded by schools of tropical fish, majestic coral formations, and the mesmerizing biodiversity that Phi Phi is renowned for. So, gear up, dive in, and let the magic of snorkeling and diving in Phi Phi Island transport you to an aquatic realm of discovery and wonder. Imagine scaling towering limestone cliffs surrounded by the turquoise waters of the Andaman Sea. That's the essence of rock climbing in Phi Phi. Whether you're a novice climber or a seasoned pro, these cliffs offer an exhilarating challenge for everyone, and the feeling of accomplishment at the top is matched only by the breathtaking vistas that unfold before your eyes. Welcome, food enthusiasts, to the delightful world of trying local cuisine in Phi Phi Island, Thailand. Nestled in this tropical paradise, Phi Phi offers not just scenic beauty but also a rich tapestry of flavors waiting to be savored. Whether you're a fan of pad thai, green curry, or fresh seafood, Phi Phi's food scene has something for every palate. It's not just a meal. It's an immersion into the vibrant culinary culture that makes Phi Phi Island a gastronomic haven. And there you have it. These are must-do things while your visit to Phi Phi Island. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel destinations.